Welcome back, everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to manage resource profiles using TeamBoard TimePlanner for Jira. This powerful feature allows managers and team leaders to effortlessly update and manage employee information. It's a game changer for better project planning and resource allocation. Let's start with the member view. As a user, you'll have access to a comprehensive profile layout. First, we have the dashboard, where you get an overview of your profile and activities. See the detailed workload, overview of work hours, check the schedule board, and visualize in the report. In the profile section, you'll find detailed information, including your job title, years of experience, technical skills, and working experience. You can easily edit your profile information using the Edit Profile button, or export your profile as a docx or PDF file. Next, we have Timesheets. Here, you can access your submitted timesheet and custom date range to see details of hours logged and hours off. In the Leaves section, you can record your leave history and request leave with just a few clicks. Reports are also at your fingertips, allowing you to access various reports related to your profile and activities. Finally, in the Settings section, you can customize various aspects of your profile, such as setting default approvers, custom daily capacity, enabling notifications, and checking the holiday calendar. All these features provide a seamless and efficient experience for managing your profile and activities. Now, let's move on to the Administrator Guide. With member views, users can only access and edit their profiles. But as an admin, you have permission to access and configure all resource information profiles in the organization. You can manage resource rates, update work capacity, and set days off based on your country and manage timesheets. Finally, there is the Team Leader. As a team leader, you are given full permission to access and edit your team members' holidays and capacity. You can also monitor the leave balances of the team members you manage. And that's all about profile management on TeamBoard TimePlanner for Jira. See you in the next video, and don't forget to follow us so you don't miss any updates.